Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can be able to put a space in your display name on Roblox. It's not something difficult. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. So the first thing that we need to do, which is to go to settings. So let's click on settings here. Then let's click on it again. Okay, so here you're gonna find display name. We can't put it or we can't put a space, so I'm gonna show you that we can't put it. So for example, let's do a space here and I'm gonna add something. As you can see, they said here display name contains unsupported characters, so we can't. Let's close it, and what we need to do is to go to account location, and we need to change our location. Okay, so we need to change it to United States. So I'm gonna search for United States. Okay, so that's it. Let's click on it. Let's click on set location. So let's click on it. Alright, so it's saved successfully. Let's go back now to our display name and let's do the same again. Let's put a space. Okay, now we don't have anything that doesn't let us to put a space. Okay, now we just put it did it successfully, and we have a space in our display name. As I told you, it's not something difficult. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.